Page 88, Prelude number 14. This is in the key of D minor. One sharp, one flat, one something. That's from there. We're going to do the scale on F major and D minor. Okay. 3/4 time. You just kind of take it. It's just a, well, it's just a. So here at the beginning, all legato, and you see the accent at the top and the bottom. So that starts with an accent. And here, staccato, and then again. Now the fingering you use, I really don't care. I tend to do that. They're doing this because at the end you have this, and they're just saving the 5th finger for that. But I can do this here, and then when I go up, then I can go up. 4th finger's a little more comfortable for the accent because you got to give a little extra oomph. It's easier to do with 4th finger than 5th, but you decide which finger you want. And they don't give a dynamic. I think that's an error. They should have given something. You'll have to decide, what do you think the dynamic should be? And you don't have to stay at the same dynamic. You can get louder and softer as you feel it, other than the accents they've got in here. And then allegro is quickly. And that's just the overall flow of it has to be quickly. So whatever it is, it has to be even, it has to be controlled. You decide how you want to do it.